Alright guys, I'm here. I just got it all installed last night. I hadn't charged the batteries or nothing, so they need charging, but I'm at 14.7. It's an irragi 280 alt. I'm waiting on my GP alt to come back. I sent it in to have it redone, the whole internals, just to get updated with it, because it's been running me good for 4 years, but I wanted everything fresh and new this round, so I'm at 14.7 now. That's at idle. Alright, let me let off the gas. You see where my foot's at? I got a 1600.4 and a 3500.1. So yeah, it dropped down to 13.7 one time. I got motor noise. I got to ground the RCA's in the head unit better. It's a Pioneer, you know how, and it's an old one. It's 11 years old. So, but yeah, man, it about full tilt. It's holding great voltage on this irragi 280. That's at idle. You see, I didn't have my foot on the gas at all. So I'm happy with it. Of course, I got a big battery bank, but I'm not even going in the battery bank. I'm on the alternator. The alternator is handling everything. Anything above resting voltage, the alternator is basically taken care of. So there we are. There's my update vid on the alternator, guys. Now I'm about to pull out and have a good day. You ain't doing your own. You ain't got Google Chrome.
Couldn't believe it. I never know your
Knock my rear view mirror down.
Fucking bad.